Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the product to your shopping cart on the Gap application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the home button down below and select the category. Tap on it, and after that apply filters to narrow down your search and click on the product that you would like to purchase. Click on the add to bag button down below. Select your size, then your color, and tap on add to bag. As you can see, it has been added to your shopping cart, so tap on the bag icon down below. That's the third option. Here you can find it. If you have a promo code, then enter it and tap on proceed to checkout. After that you should fill in this delivery address form, including your name, then your phone number, then your emirate or your area and the delivery address. You should choose the delivery type, and after that you should select the method of payment. As you can see it at the top, type in your card number and card details, and then you can confirm your order. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.